Hello everyone, this is me Yashva Patras, and today I'm going to explain the strategies and techniques I used in my revised reading and writing lesson plan based on Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone chapter 1. So let's discuss the lesson objectives. So the lesson objectives are these are the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be better able to understand key events and character introduced in chapter 1. Identify descriptive vocabulary and narrative techniques used by J.K. Rowling. Demonstrate extensive reading skills through close analysis of selective paragraph. Demonstrate extensive reading skills by summarizing and discussing main idea of the full chapter. Engage in speaking tasks to interpret character behavior and predict future plot events. So these are the lesson plans. I will going to ask from my students in warm-up activities that what going to make you special? What is the special thing about this reading Harry Potter novel? Apologies, I forget discussing the level of my students. The level of my students are advanced. As I said, the level of my students are advanced. I will going to show them the picture of the students that what they know about the Harry Potter novel. So in warm-up activities, I will going to show the students, my student, the pictures, and try to ask them that what do you guys know about the Harry Potter. So in objective discussions, I will be going to introduce the topic that what we will be going today, and I will be asking from the students such question like today will read a part of chapter closely intensive reading. We will be doing intensive reading, and extensive reading means also explore the whole chapter. First we will be reading a part of the chapter, a single page or a two page, and then I will be telling them that we will be reading the whole part of the lesson for extensive reading. You will learn, and we will learn the vocabulary, analysis the character, and share your interpretations. And at the end of the lesson, that student will be able to interpret and know about the several characters by doing the intensive reading and extensive readings. Now there will be time of intensive reading on projectors. I will be doing that Mr. Dursley noticing strange people in clocks, and I will read aloud my student, and the student will going to be underline the descriptive words, identify tone, and for what Rowling want to reader to know, what J.K. Rowling want to make the reader know about her novel. And these things we will be doing in the uh, our writing activity, reading and writing activity. On second, I'll be going to modeling the vocabulary, like 6 to 8 keyword for my students. They will going to know about the new vocabularies, and like for example mysterious, clock, peculiar, stern, unusual, and gossiping. Student will going to repeat the give synonyms create short examples and model the summary. I will be going to model the summary in extensive reader. Teacher shows a short summary of the chapter, demonstrate how to pick main idea versus detail. So it guided practice intensive reading talk that I will be in guided practice students. They will be going to sit together and they will practicing the vocabulary that I have given to them in pair. I will in guided practice I will help the students if they feel mistake. It is a kind of humanistic approach I'm going to apply. I will be helping student as a friend. Them I will be guiding them in the way of their difficulties in guided practice. So in the independent practice, I will be the students, my student, they will be going to do the independent practice as Dr. Shane discussed that Dr. Shane Dixon discussed that I would the better will be that the independent practice must happen in the class. So same I will be going to use their the way they said that I'll be allowing my student to do the independent practice not at home but in the classroom, because I'll be helping student also in the independent practice. And they will be going to write 7 to 8 sentences based on the summary of the chapter 1, and after that I will be watching their sentences and so on. So in my assessments, so first my assessment will be based on the reading assessment that students will be going to answer 5 comprehension question about chapter 1. So this will be a kind of I am not currently teacher, but when I'll going to teach them, so I'll make the scenario where the student will going to give me the answer of the 5 questions that I will going to ask from them. And then will be the reading then will be the writing assessment that I will be check the written summary for clarity, correctness and understanding. Then will be listening a student respond to a short audio reading with 2 interpretive questions. Then speaking assessment, student verbally explain 1 character personality based on textual evidence. So this in this assessment I will be asking my student this thing to they a kind of I will be going to they will be going to take the test. So this is all about my video, and thank you for watching my video.